Hello everyone, welcome back to DD Funworks, Dubai. It is one of the most popular and marvelous city in the world. It would be hard for any person to describe its fabulous beauty in singular words. Until the early 90s, Dubai was a mere sandy desert with camels roaming here and there. Nobody at that time thought the abandoned desert land would turn out to be the most captivating city in the world. There is no wonder why a famous writer quoted such as once the sand of Dubai has settled on your shoulder, you can never shake it off. And it is 10% true. Travelers who visited the Emirate have always commented that the city has some magnetic power which compels them to visit it again and again. The Emirate have always astonished the world with its mind-blowing skyscrapers and man-made archipelagos. Among the several inventions, it is the Burj Khalifa that grabbed a large number of tourists from various corners of the world. To know more about Burj Khalifa, the eighth man-made wonder, please do subscribe and share my channel. Burj Khalifa, famously known as Burj Tower or Khalifa Tower, Burj Khalifa with an elevation of 828 meters is one of the most captivating skyscraper in the world. Within a short span of time, it has accumulated more than 17 records. The mind-blowing Burj Khalifa was designed by the famous South Korean company called Samsung C&D Corporation. The famous architecture designer Adrian Smith designed the shape of Burj Khalifa inspired from the traditional Islamic architecture and the spider lily flower, scientifically known as Hymenocallis, seen throughout the UAE, United Arab Emirates. Does anybody know how long did it take to build Burj Khalifa? Excavation began in January 2004. 6 years hence, the tower was finally opened in January 2010. When the plan was proposed, the tower was named as Burj Dubai. A few hours before the inauguration, the name was changed to Burj Khalifa. Do you know why? It was done so as to commemorate the financial support given by the Sheikh of Abu Dhabi and President of UAE, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. On the day of inauguration, over 10,000 fireworks were shot from Burj Khalifa. On 10th of March 2010, Burj Khalifa officially became the world's tallest tower. As mentioned earlier, the tower is enriched with several modern amenities. At a time, Burj Khalifa can accommodate up to 35,000 people and provides space to park 3,000 vehicles in its underground portion. The most prominent attribution for which the tower is famous is the eye-catching observation deck situated on the 124th and 125th floors with an elevation of 452 meters. Observation decks, which are popularly known as at the top, attracts the travelers from various parts of the world. Eventually, this record was overtaken by the observation deck by the Canton Tower of China. As everybody knows, Dubai does not like to be on the second position. Hence, they constructed a new observation deck on 148th floor with a height of 555 meters and named it as At the Top Sky. With the help of electron telescope installed by the GSM project of Montreal, visitors could not only enjoy the real-time panoramic view of Dubai but also the previous images saved at different intervals. You might be thinking that it might take nearly 1 hour to reach the 124th floor to observe the panoramic view of Dubai, but it is not like that. With the help of fastest running elevator at the speed of 10 meters per second, visitors could reach the observation deck within a minute. It is also to be known as the fastest elevator in the world. You can enjoy the incredible panoramic view of Persian Gulf by savoring the mouth-watering cuisines at the Atmosphere restaurant on 122nd floor. Travelers can visit the observation deck by availing of entry passes. Based on seasons and timings, the rate of entry passes may vary. The Khalifa Tower is encircled with a mind-blowing park named Khalifa Park. A wide array of pools and water jet fountains, together comprised in a water room, is positioned at the center of the park. Every day, the plants are watered using condensation from the air conditioning system of Burj Khalifa. Next to tower is situated the famous Dubai Fountain. One can enjoy its beauty by sailing on the traditional Abra boats. On every evening, the fountain marvels the traveler's heart through a light and sound show. Dubai Fountain is known to carry the record of world's largest dancing fountain system. Do you know it takes nearly 3 months to clean the 27,400 glass panels? After having finished, it's time to start again. On crystal clear sky, the tip of Burj Khalifa can be seen from up to 95 kilometers away. Experts say that Burj Khalifa will soon lose many of its highest building in the world title. The Kingdom Tower in Jeddah, situated in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is set to open in 2021. Its height will exceed 1000 meters. To remain on the first place and to maintain the record of Burj Khalifa, I hope the Sheikh of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, might have proposed many new projects. To know more about the fascinating wonders, please do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.